We may make and cover our lamp. Here we have a lamp from electric shop. Can one end cover here around. Like this. Another end will be here. Okay, we can make our lamp. Let's test it if it can work. It works. It works. Okay, I will make a battery handle from plastic bag or any carton. A box. Here I get, and can put my battery to measure. Maybe here. Maybe here. Okay. And then okay, here I get parts that I will be using this and some paper clip to make switch. After that, we get our battery handle. One terminal we have paper clip, and another terminal we have another paper clip. Inside it looks like this, and the outside looks like this. Okay, we can put our battery, this, and we can test our lamp. Okay, it lights. It lights. We may look around in our environment, maybe at a mechanician or electronician, and we may hunt such that we can get a non-working machine and we break it such that we can get a certain motor. We can use other source of energy like batteries, and we make this move. After this moving, it will produce another energy to carry other things, to let other things move, like vehicle, like motorcycle. Returning to our motor, our motor can move. The test, yeah, it is moving. High speed. Now we can connect to other machine, then this one can carry those machines. So the motor again can make other things to move. If we connect, we can connect the machine. this, and we connect. So it can move. This machine has the gears, so we can create our own gears, maybe using this. It has the gears. Can use type of these. It has the gears. Can make things like this. Okay, they are connected, and this we will connect to the other motor. The motor will move all this. Now we want to move our machine. I load output in the direction. Now we can connect to our machine and connect it to the power. One here, another one here. So it can move so quickly. Like this. Wow, maybe we can again create another energy from maybe this wind turbine. So this is how it works. Okay, here we are going to distinguish two kind of things. One is electricity, another one is magnetism. For example, we can use the electricity to provide magnetism, and we can use magnetism or magnets to produce electricity, vice versa, just vice versa. At first, we start with doing and showing how a motor works. A motor works in form of when we have a battery or any other kind of energy producer, and we have the connector wires, and we need some kind of magnets like these ones, and we will need, of course, the paper clips, and we have to produce our moving item or motor like this in this wire. First, we roll it like this. And like this, okay. Tie it the same. Like this. like this. Okay, then we will need a paper clip, one attach here, another one attach here. Okay. Then our battery is here, can connect both on. Another thing to make attention, we have to take care on this motor, how we have to rub, because this is copper wire and it has some insulator here, the color, so we have to move one end whole, but on other end one part, not the whole ones. Here we have to move everything. Okay, on another end, one part. Okay. Okay. Okay, then connect and see what will happen. And connect here. Then after, we have to move to put our magnet under here, so the motor can work. So this direction from like this one, so we can change another direction. So let's maybe move here to here, and I think it will change direction. And here, okay. Okay, to change direction. Now it is coming like this. If I give direction of this one, it counterwise, like this. So using electricity as source of energy and using magnets, it can produce and it can move a certain object like machines. From the Fleming's law, the current is coming in this direction. This is the current coming in this direction. The motor is moving upward, downward, like this direction, the force. And the magnet will move on another direction. If the force is moving upwards, the current is coming horizontally, so the magnet field will come like this, in this direction. And now we are going to create an electromagnet. What is electromagnet? Electromagnet is a device. When you connect to electricity, it can get the magnet property. It can attract other metals. So actually this is a piece of iron, so it can't attract other metal. It can't, like this paper clip. Or we may even use iron. See, it can't attract. Let's connect it to a battery and see. Only the iron metal, if it can attract. You see, it can't attract. It can't attract. Now we may have a wire. Then we make round on it like this, tightly. Let it wound around and you see. And you see it can attract. See, it can attract. Using a big metal like a nail and using many coils around it, it will increase the capability to attract. So this is how the electromagnet works. We have electricity and we can make a certain material to be like a magnet. Okay, from this I make a shape of this. You guess what I'm going to do? Maybe not a prime, but I'm going to make a cow using a motor, like this, using a motor, and I will make it to move. Next step, I'm going to introduce my tires like this. Like this. And like this. Make sure that they are moving easily. Another step, I'm going to create the gears. Okay, here I'm going to test my car. Here is the whole car, and here is the connection. Like this. Welcome. Wow. Welcome. Wow. Welcome. Okay, here what is going on. The whole vehicle is here. This is battery. So down here, I connect a small motor having a gear and another gear connected to the tire. Then when we connect to a battery, this gear will push the tire gear, and it will remove the behind the tire. Once the behind the tire is moving, when we put on ground, so the friction will act, and the front tires will go. That's it. And the electricity is there. We can check that the electricity is there. The lights.
Cannot find a cell.
Hey. You are using what? Water? Yeah, my crossway is difficult, man. Very difficult. Even for me to do this simple experiment, it takes me 20 minutes.